First Chronicles chapter 24, verse 1. This is how Aaron's descendants, the priests, were divided into groups for service. The sons of Aaron were Nadab, Abihu, Eleazar, and Itamar. Verse 2. But Nadab and Abihu died before their father, and they had no sons. So only Eleazar and Itamar were left to carry on as priests. Verse 3. With the help of Zadok, who was a descendant of Eleazar, and of Ahimelech, who was a descendant of Itamar, David divided Aaron's descendants into groups according to their various duties. Verse 4. Eleazar's descendants were divided into 16 groups, and Itamar's into 8, for there were more family leaders among the descendants of Eleazar. Verse 5. All tasks were assigned to the various groups by means of sacred lot, so that no preference would be shown, and there were many qualified officials serving God in the sanctuary from among the descendants of both Eleazar and Itamar. Verse 6. Shimei, son of Nathaniel, a Levite, acted as secretary and wrote down the names and assignments in the presence of the king. The officials, Zadok the priest, Ahimelech son of Abiathar, and the family leaders of the priests and Levites, the descendants of Eleazar and Itamar, took turns casting lot. Verse 7. The first lot fell to Jehorib. The second lot fell to Jediah. Verse 8. The third lot fell to Harim. The fourth lot fell to Seorim. Verse 9. The fifth lot fell to Makijah. The sixth lot fell to Mijamim. Verse 10. The seventh lot fell to Hakkos. The eighth lot fell to Abijah. Verse 11. The ninth lot fell to Jeshua. The 10th lot fell to Shechaniah. Verse 12. The 11th lot fell to Eliashib. The 12th lot fell to Jachim. Verse 13. The 13th lot fell to Huppah. The 14th lot fell to Jashibib. Verse 14. The 15th lot fell to Belga. The 16th lot fell to Immer. Verse 15. The 17th lot fell to Hizer. The 18th lot fell to Hapizes. Verse 16. The 19th lot fell to Pitatia. The 20th lot fell to Jahikiel. Verse 17. The 21st lot fell to Jachin. The 22nd lot fell to Gamuel. Verse 18. The 23rd lot fell to Delaiah. The 24th lot fell to Maziah. Verse 19. Each group carried out its appointed duties in the house of the Lord, according to the procedures established by their ancestor Aaron, in obedience to the commands of the Lord, the God of Israel. Verse 20. These were the other family leaders descended from Levi. From the descendants of Amram, the leader was Shebuel. From the descendants of Shebuel, the leader was Jehadiah. Verse 21. From the descendants of Rehabiah, the leader was Isaiah. Verse 22. From the descendants of Izhar, the leader was Shelomith. From the descendants of Shelomith, the leader was Jahath. Verse 23. From the descendants of Hebron, Jariah was the leader. Amariah was second, Jahaziel was third, and Jachamim was fourth. Verse 24. From the descendants of Uzziel, the leader was Micah. From the descendants of Micah, the leader was Shammai. Verse 25. Along with Isaiah, the brother of Micah, from the descendants of Isaiah, the leader was Zechariah. Verse 26. From the descendants of Merari, the leader were Mali and Mushi. From the descendants of Jaaziah, the leader was Bino. Verse 27. From the descendants of Merari through Jaaziah, the leaders were Bino, Shoham, Zakur, and Ibri. Verse 28. From the descendants of Mali, The leader was Eleazar, though he had no sons. Verse 29. From the descendant of Kish, the leader was Jerahmeel. Verse 30. From the descendant of Mushi, the leaders were Mahli, Ether, Jeremoth. These were the descendants of Levi in their various families. Verse 31. Like the descendants of Aaron, they were assigned to their duties by means of sacred lots, without regard to age or rank. Lots were drawn in the presence of King David, Zadok, Ahimelech, and the family leaders of the priests and the Levites. Amen.